Broad and Tailor Professional Knife Sharpener. The fastest and easiest way to sharpen and hone any knife. Quickly cut the optimum bevel on a dull knife. Safely hone to keep your knife sharp. Polish for the ultimate razor edge. Keeping your serrated knife sharp is just as easy. The patented sharpeners hone the entire beveled side of the blade. This sharp knife slices right through difficult-to-cut foam. Dulling the knife on a hammer rolls the cutting edge and makes the blade useless. But just a few quick honing strokes restores sharpness without removing metal. Even the best knives dull with regular use as the edge rolls over. Broad & Tailor's exclusive honing action quickly and safely realigns the edge, keeping all of your knives razor sharp. Spring action bars adjust the angle of the blade from 12 to 20 degrees. Ultra-hard Austrian tungsten carbide is precision ground for years of reliable sharpening. Easy-to-follow instructions are clearly printed on the solid stainless steel base. Great looks, great results. Broad & Tailor.